All right, everybody, I'm back. Me. All right, everybody, I'm back. This is Outdoors with Big Matt. Just a quick update. I did hit record a minute ago, but it didn't record, so I must have hit it all the way or hit double tapped it or something. I don't know. But as you can see, I'm working down to the final stages of the spoon. Where the red is, I actually need to trim that off. So I figured I'd do that real quick, and then I'll show you more towards the middle stages of the spoon, because when I finish cutting it out here, I'm going to be cutting and shaping this piece right here so that I can attach the spoon, and then I got to get pins to attach it with. So got to make some pins. I'm thinking I'm going to use brass. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride. All right, and as you can see, starting to take a little bit more shape. Still gotta make some adjustments. Once I get it to the outer diameter that I want, then I'll work on straightening this out, and I'll show you how I made this part, since I apparently didn't hit record. All right, we're gonna let this cool down, come back and look at it, make sure we're not missing anything. And this wooden block right here, that's what I used to get the shape that I wanted. Between that and the ball, this is what I came out with. I'm pretty happy with the shape. I'd like to get a little bit more depth to it. We'll see if we need to or not. And once it cools down, I can actually touch it with my bare hands. So, but yeah, stay tuned, because we'll be doing that, as well as fixing this and making this handle right here a little bit more narrower and more decorative. I'm thinking I'm gonna square it out and put some twist in it just to make it look cool. All right, everybody, this is Outdoors with Big Matt. I'm coming back at you with the next part of this video. I have finished the spoon part of it, the end of it, which you will see earlier in this video. Some people may have already seen it on my community tab, the finished product. So if you want to see what it looks like finished, this is the video. I'm hoping that I can get it all finished on this. If I can't, then I will be adding it, the final product. I'll either do a quick little short video, or I'll put it on the finished product on my community tab. So, but this is a piece of 5/8 rebar that I have. I'm fixing to put it in the fire here in just a minute. Get it hot. I'm gonna try to square it out, and once I get it square, I'm gonna add some twists and stuff, just something to make it look pretty. So y'all stay tuned for that. Let me get this fire started. The fire is started, y'all. So won't take long. Pardon my mess. So let me get this in the fire. All right, everybody, just so you can see what I'm trying to do. If you look right there at the end, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's becoming a square, and I'm tightening it down a little bit more each time I go. So, but I have to take a break because I've been swinging at stuff all day, the last few days and night. So I'm gonna take a quick break and go check out Warrior Hearts Fishing. If y'all don't have Warrior Hearts Fishing, go check him out. He's an awesome supporter, a wonderful friend, and I'm proud to call him my brother. So, but for now, peace out. All right, this time I am back. I got fat fingers and it's hot and I'm trying to pay attention to too many things. So if anybody that does this is out there watching, you understand, I hope. And I do apologize. I am sorry. I need to pay better attention, but I'm paying attention to so many things, so I'm getting used to it. But just so you can see, it's starting to take shape. I just got to draw it out a little bit. I cut the end of it off, so made it a little bit shorter, but I still got to draw it out a little bit because I think I cut it too short. Yeah, well, give me just 1 second. That's basically the gist of it. Turn off all this fire and stuff so we can actually, I can hear myself think. But give me just a second. Now this is not just for barbecuing, but you can see right there, I put a bottle opener on it, you know, just a quick dirty bottle opener. I'm gonna be letting this cool off because I got to square up some stuff, clean it with the wire wheel to get all that loose slag off of it so that it doesn't affect the next part. That I'll be doing is I'll be coming in and putting some twist in here just for decoration. So yeah, just to show y'all what I got working with so far. So the spoon part will go here. Got a bottle opener here, and I may or may not put like a piece of wood across the top of this connected with rivets. More for not just a look, but to give you a little bit more something to grab a hold of and hold on to. So, but y'all stay tuned for the next part. And please, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button and leave us a comment. I will be doing shout outs from comments. I've already done one shout out on this video for Warrior's Heart. So if y'all don't have Warrior's Heart, please go check him out. The other one is going to be Zombie Prepper. If you don't have Zombie Prepper, please go get him a hook set. Another wonderful, awesome supporter, a good friend, and I'm proud to say he's one of my brothers too. So, I'll be back in a little while. All right, everybody, we back. I'm gonna play this in regular speed. I do have, the metal is already in the fire. I do have my vise set up. I'm gonna start putting the twist in so you can see how I do that. And then I'll work on attaching it to the actual spoon head. And I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna pin it, and then when I get that done, I will be putting the final shape in the handle afterwards. That way it's a little bit easier for me to get it done. And I will be having my little torch to help keep the heat. Tell you what, this wind is not helping me today. Oh, and I have my trusty crescent wrench. That's what I'll be using to put the twist in. And I don't know if you can see, but it is pretty hot. But I took my flop disc and kind of rounded the edges off a little bit. That way there's no sharp edges while you're holding it. And when I go to put the twist in, it'll give a little bit of more defined look to the twist. And there's one full turn. I'm gonna put it back in the fire so that I can heat up a little bit higher. And of course, while I'm doing this, I also have my leather hammer. It's all leather, rawhide leather in the wood, but that's so because as you're twisting it, it's going to get a little catty-wonky, so you can use this to straighten it up and not damage your edges. Don't worry, that's just me. See the twist. Of course, it's not going to focus because there's too much heat coming off of it. sure if it's coming in clear or not, but you can actually see where I have a tight twist to a loose twist, just to make it look good. Just going to show you what the handle looks like right now. And in case you were wondering, yes, I did put a bottle opener on. Part of the design, but it is a useful tool. So, just so you can see what it looks like right now. Next thing I'm going to be doing, I think I'm going to drill a hole from here, right in here somewhere, straight through, and just to add a little bit of decoration to it. And then I will be attaching the spoon right here and bending the handle to the shape that we want. All right, everybody, this is Outdoors with Big Matt. Just coming at you with the final. I decided not to record it because I wanted to get it done a little bit quicker. This is the finished product, though. Just so everybody can see. This is the finished product. There's the bottle opener. Got the twist, all nice and fancy. The spoon, no wiggle, no clink, clank, clank, nothing. So it is 100% done. The only thing that's left to do is I need to put something over it to protect it. And probably just gonna go to my local beehives, beekeepers, and get some wax, some beeswax, and put over it. That'll seal it and protect it for a good while. But just wanted to come at you one last time. Boom, it's done. I did it. And the moral to this is never give up. Adapt and overcome. Do what you got to do. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.